guys, after that last lesson I did on the 1+3 phrase, and several people asked for more phrasing lessons. So what I'm going to do today is kind of working hand in hand with that last lesson. But I call this 4 of 6. Basically, this is the same feel, that sextuplet type of feel, 6 equal notes within a beat. But what we're doing here is the first 4 notes of a sextuplet. Let's check this out. Alright, the best way to practice this is just sit with your metronome, set it to the fastest tempo that you can play cleanly, and just play all 6 notes of a sextuplet first, so that's 6 equal notes, and then we're going to try to take off the last 2 notes, and that's going to give us this 4 of 6 phrasing. Right there, 6 equal notes per beat. Here's what it's going to sound like if we're taking off the last 2 of 6, just leaving the 4. Okay, so now once you kind of have it established, you can find that kind of grouping there with the metronome just sitting on one note. Then what you should do is practice this in string pairs in your minor pentatonic scale patterns. I like to use minor pentatonic because usually in these patterns we get 2 notes per string. Of course, that adds up to 4 in string pairs, which works perfect with this phrasing. So I'm going to go up here to C minor pentatonic, right? You're just your blues box here at the 8th fret. And let's try some different things. I'm just going to play the top 2 strings in this 4 of 6 phrasing. That would sound like this. Okay, let's go down now to the B and G string. Keep going down. And you can do this all over the neck. And what you should do is just practice. Make little patterns. And it doesn't have to be string pairs either. You could do something like this. Or just use your imagination to kind of cover those 4 notes wherever you like. Okay, so now I'm going to just play a little bit with that backing track again, and I'll kind of point out when I'm using that phrase. Right there. Just minor pentatonic. Right there. That was the 4 of 6. Right there. I really hope you enjoyed the lesson, guys. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and check out the description below for information about the membership at Tasty Guitar and all my great courses over at TrueFire as well. Thanks, I'll see you next time.